Alright, welcome back to the channel, viewers. Now this video is going to be way different than what I normally do for my channel. Yeah, there's a heat pump here at the house. This video is actually, I'm hoping to catch Mr. Ted Cook from the YouTube channel Anti-DIY HVAC channel. And anyway, so Ted, if you get to watch this video, comment below, because I want to ask you a question. Now, my contactor there was making a really loud buzzing noise, started a couple days ago, and I shut the system down, took it out, played with it a little bit, tightened it up, but I ended up having to replace it. So I went ahead and replaced the capacitor too. Now, the reason I called the HVAC company that I have work on the system, but I thought their price was really high. They were approaching $500 to come out and replace these two. I think that was kind of high, so you could maybe let me know what you think. Maybe they just didn't want to do it and they just priced it too high. But I'm in the automotive field, so I do a lot with diagnostics. And I have also 20 years of plumbing experience, which is nowhere near related to HVAC, but I know that. But I was around a lot of HVAC guys, and I learned a lot from them. The ones that would show me stuff anyway. And if you got half a brain, you can put two and two together if you just listen. We all know that. But anyway, I'm not going to make this a long video, but she's running again. It's been running all day. I did the repairs this morning, and it's quiet. You know, so anyway, if you happen to watch this video, tell me if you think that price was a little high. I think it was quite a bit high, actually. All right, thanks for watching.